Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do your state and federal tax refunds come together in one payment? It's a common question every tax season, and the short, simple answer is no, they do not. Let's break down exactly why you'll always receive them as two separate payments. Your federal and state taxes are handled by two completely different government agencies. Your federal tax return goes to the Internal Revenue Service, better known as the IRS. Your state tax return, on the other hand, goes to your state's own tax department, like the Franchise Tax Board in California or the Department of Revenue in Georgia. You can think of them as two separate companies you do business with. They don't share a bank account, and they absolutely do not coordinate your payments. Because you're dealing with these two distinct entities, you're also dealing with two entirely separate processes. You file a federal return, and the IRS processes it on its own timeline. You file a state return, and your state's agency processes that one completely independently. They each have their own computer systems, their own processing schedules, and their own staff. One agency doesn't wait for the other to finish. This separation is why the timing of your refunds can be so different. You might get your federal refund very quickly, sometimes in as little as 1 to 3 weeks if you e-file and choose direct deposit. State refunds, however, are a whole different story. The processing time can vary dramatically from one state to another. Some states are just as fast as the feds, while others can take a month or even longer to send your money. Your state might have different fraud prevention checks or a smaller budget, which can slow everything down. So, how do you keep track of two different refunds? You have to track them separately. For your federal refund, you'll use the Where's My Refund tool on the official IRS website, irs.gov. For your state refund, you'll need to visit your specific state's tax agency website. A quick search for your state name, Where's My Refund will usually lead you right to their tracking tool. You'll need basic information for both, like your social security number, your filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund. Just remember, checking the IRS tool won't tell you anything about your state refund, and checking your state's tool won't give you any updates on your federal one. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe.